Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to delete thread post. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. First you have to go to your open your Instagram account. If you're talking about the someone else post, to delete it from the feeds, so you click on the three dots and block it or delete this post. If you want to delete your own post, go to your profile, and these are the all posted which are you uploaded. So select the post which you want to delete. Let me select that one. Click on the three dot. You show the option delete. So once you click on the delete, you will get a notification or confirmation message of the delete. So this is the message that delete this post. So once you click on the delete option, your post will be deleted. So the deleting process is completed. You see that the post is deleted from your profile. Thanks for watching.